All right, wife just got me a nice little Newport Days Rogue Ale beer. We're gonna rip and sip, as my wife knows it as. So we have these Fanatics exclusive joints right here. I'm excited to open because I want to see what's so special about them. Honestly, I was trying to understand these things a little bit better. And I will do a video actually explaining all of it to especially people like myself that are newer out there to collect, because it's confusing as to what all the hits could possibly be, what the chase cards are. This has 3 Mosaic prisms and the one blaster exclusive of a green ice prism. So you get one, that's it for the whole thing. And then you look at the breakdown here, and there's no 1-of-1s, 25-of-1s, 99-of-1s, none of that stuff that you get on like the Mega Box had at least a 10-to-1 or 1 of 10 or whatever it is. I don't know. So there's none of that, but you can still get the chase though. Obviously, we want this, and then we want the Genesis. So let's open these up, see what we come up with, and wish me luck. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 packs, 4 cards each. We got the first pack right here. Of course, I want a Genesis. I wanted to get another one. I have one so far, Paul Reed and Wiseman. This is a silver too, so I'll take that. I only got one Genesis so far. I say that only for the super lucky. I only had one Mega Box that I lucked up on, I think at Walmart or something like that, after dropping off my kids, and I hit a Genesis on it. It was nuts. But last pack of Magic on that one was for sure Rudy. And we got a Will to Lose there. All right, moving on. We got a silver already though, so that must be one of the, is that one of the 3 or not? I don't know what counts as a Mosaic prism. And I don't think that one counts, right? That's a silver, it's different. But there's 3 Mosaic prisms, it says it comes with. Sadiq Bey. So this is a green cracked ice, as you can see. And I really like cracked ice. I think it looks really, really solid. Green cracked ice, Sadiq Bey. Wish it was a better player. Sorry about my fingers. My fingers are all destroyed, for those wondering. I think it's from baby wipes, but any which way. Should wear gloves, but then I'd get made fun of for that, so it is what it is. Josh, Jason, National, and then this green. So the difference, you could see the difference between green cracked and then the regular Mosaic. Cracked ice looks a lot better in my opinion. Keep it rolling. We have, oh, is this it? Did I get an auto? All right, I guess we'll flip it. Ooh, is this a James? It's not an auto. It's not an auto. Why is it? It tricked me? It's a Wiseman? Why would they put Wiseman in backwards?
How many cards are you?
5 more packs, 7 more packs. They're quick, full card packs though. That was ridiculous. Blue, they put a card in backwards and I thought I got an auto. It was not an auto.
What is an auto?
Sadiq Bey again, man. An autograph. Like
Is that the slang word that the cool kids use?
an auto. That's just kind of the normal term, I believe. I'm bummed by that though. It tricked me, man. I don't like being tricked like that. Not cool, gang. All right, Obi and Elevate Zach. So, I mean, we're getting a couple interesting ones. Nothing too crazy. That Sadiq Bey was the one cracked, though. That's a bummer. And then, is there another episode of Walking Dead? Or is it just a preview? We got Jaden, and then we got a Halliburton. So the difference between these two, so you could see silver and then the Mosaic. So not amazing. I can't complain, though. We got a Wiseman. We got a Wiseman. We got a Halliburton. All these cards are super warped, by the way. Really terrible. And then we do got the James Jam Master, but that's just the base one. All right, Blue, give me 1 more minute. I'm gonna open these 8 and call it good. My wife wants to watch TV right now, and I was like actually trying to comment on the video. So if you guys actually like the comment instead of the music, drop a like on the video, please, and I'll do it more often. Just preferably not in mom's time, because she wants to, you know, watch TV and stuff. Kids just went to bed. So this is our time. Our time. All right, quick 4 bangers. Really, really want to hit a nice cracked ice here. That'd be ideal, you know, hit something fancy. Josh, Tatum, all-time greats. And then what? Please say this isn't the only one. Miles Bridges. That is, I hope they throw in another green cracked ice, because if this is the thing, if that's the only advantage to this set, like either the green cracked ice are going to be worth a lot more because they're freaking ridiculously rare as a Rodman, or it's just not. I mean, people are going to be mad about it. I mean, they're expensive. Like, what are they, $40 a blaster? That's outrageous for an opportunity at one special card. The Tim Hardaway. Yeah, that's not. I'm not really feeling that. But I guess when you get a good hit, then you'll be extra happy. I don't know. I'm gonna complain about it until I hit a Genesis in one of these next packs. We'll see what happens. We got a Ray Allen Bang base, no silver, nothing there. Which is weird why they call silver and all of them look silver. I don't know. It's confusing to newer collectors out there like myself. Williams, and then we have a Elevate. Meh. All right, 3 packs left. Really hoping they give me something good here, because I'm really in it deep here. Not that much. We got another Wiseman. Ooh, bang! There we go. We got a Lamelo, and we got the green, but I wish it was a cracked. I'll take it though. Man, I can't be mad at that. All right, I mean that's good, but I wish it was that. It would have been a little bit more exclusive feeling. All right, 2 more packs. We got an Edwards. Take it. That's good. And I'll throw Edwards in a sleeve as well. I respect that guy, even though I should have thrown the Wiseman in. And last pack, and then the video is going to be done with a recap here of what we got. And we got no good. We got Royce O'Neal. I don't know who that is. That's not very helpful. All right, so I mean, the 2 cracked that we got out of the 2 boxes, not overly impressive. We got Sadiq Bey. This is a good, like, I mean, obviously this is the debut versus the regular. The debut you could see with the cracked versus the regular Mosaic to see the difference. At least we hit the Melo though. That's good. I'll take that one. I'm still in the hole though, even with all of these, because of you know, the cost of these boxes is like $40 a box. So we have Edwards here. That's good. We got a Wiseman. Halliburton. I like that. Mosaic one's nice as well. Again, no numbers on any of these things, obviously. And then another Wiseman, and then another Wiseman. So the Wiseman box, 3 Wiseman. Check this out. So this is the same card, but this is not the silver. This is a silver. And for those that are newer like myself, like this one has a little bit of a rainbow hue to it, like a prism. This one does not. So they're both silver color, but this one's called the silver. And this one's more valuable, so definitely good to have that. Other than that, man, not a lot of bangers here. I mean, we got the Sadiq rookie again, and then these dudes, Hardaway and Zach Elevate. Looks nice, but not very good. And then a couple other inserts here. That one. And the LeBron, I guess, is another good one. So, I mean, we'll take it. Can't complain. I just wish we had more chances at these cracked eyes. These things are going to be a pain. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a lot more on this channel now that I've kind of reinvented this channel. But yeah, hopefully we'll see you back. All right, see you guys.